Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Triclopyr 4 is a triclopyr-based herbicide. This product is a systemic herbicide that works by absorbing into the plants and interfering with their growth. Triclopyr is effective on many different types of broadleaf weeds, but it's especially effective at controlling brush and woody plants like poison oak, sumac, and mesquite. Triclopyr is a highly concentrated herbicide. This means that accurate measurement is crucial. Inaccurate measurements can lead to inconsistent results. Triclopyr is very effective at controlling woody plants and brush, but it also means it can kill your ornamental bushes and plants if not applied correctly. Extra care is needed when applying around desirable plants to prevent this. If these concern you, check out Top Shot herbicide. Top Shot is a selective herbicide, so it can be sprayed over most plants and will only kill the weeds. Top Shot also comes in pre-measured ampules for ease of use. Before using Triclopyr, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Triclopyr at a varying rate, depending on the application method and your targeted pest. Make sure to read the label for your specific treatment and do not over-apply. To mix and measure Triclopyr, first fill your sprayer halfway with water. Triclopyr comes in an easy-to-use squeeze and measure bottle. Remove the cap on the smaller measuring reservoir and squeeze the bottle. Use the lines on the reservoir to measure the appropriate amount and add it to your sprayer. Fill your sprayer with the rest of the water and agitate, and you're ready to apply. Apply Triclopyr to the targeted weed or brush. Ensure adequate water is used during application and apply to the roots of the plants as well as the leaves. Some plants are sensitive to Triclopyr, so it's important to read the label before application, not only to check the application rate of your pest, but also to check for other plant types around the targeted pest to ensure no harm is done to them. It may be helpful to use a piece of cardboard or plastic to block any drift or spray from being applied to non-target plants. Apply during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast, and keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Most plants will start to show symptoms and wither after 2 to 4 days, and the plants will completely die after 1 to 2 weeks. Some woody plants are more resilient and may require another application in 4 weeks if they have not completely died. If you're looking to improve the overall health and appearance of your yard, use Triclopyr alongside fertilizers and fungicides. Regular lawn maintenance will keep your yard strong and more likely to fight off weeds and turf disease. We offer all the information you need to get your lawn in top shape. Click the card in the top right to get more information on the right products for your lawn.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.